Hello once again. This video is completely going to information gathering, all the ways how we gather the information from the web and the tools. So in this video I will cover all these things, the 10 ways of information gathering. These are all things: whois lookup, DNS enum, network scanning, social engineering, whois and open source intelligence, and footprinting, whois scraping, public records and legal documents, passive recon, service version detection. So in this video you will see all these things, and I'm going to upload this one in a playlist. So after making this video I'm gonna create a playlist in YouTube and you can access from that. Okay, certainly. Just I think I'm gonna log in here. Let me check. Okay, this is my small YouTube channel. Just you can subscribe it if you want. Sorry for this one. Just creating playlist. From where I can create playlist, man. Hold on a second. Maybe login here. I'm logging first. Okay. Anyway, I will create a playlist right here by the name information gathering in detail. So you can you will find it when the video is already uploaded, and you can easily access from the playlist. You know it better. So without wasting time, just go in this first section. So in the first section we'll intro about the information gathering. What definition is just simply collecting, analyzing data from the various source to gain our insight or make informed decision. So later on, if we are going to attack any machine, we need the detailed information about the machine. So for that we are going to gather the information, and in every field, information gathering is the main factor and the initial step to attack or to test any system. Okay, so without gathering information we cannot access it, we cannot track it. So this is the initial step. And the purpose of, I already say purpose of the information gathering. So to analyze the threat or to find the bugs or vulnerabilities in the targeted systems, or to troubleshoot the targeting system. This is the purpose. And there are mainly two types of information gathering. So the two types of IG are passive and active. Passive is we will do from web scraping, public source, we'll do that stuff from online and public record, online websites on public record. But in passive, that's in passive. But in active, we will use different system like Linux systems, Windows. So in that we will use different types of tools like nmap and that sort of things, and nslookup, like this one, the whois and so on. This kinds of things we're gonna use. Like you can see here, right here, if you have a Kali installed in your system, you can see here the initial step 01 IG. This is the information gathering, and you can see these are all the techniques and tools for gathering information. I will cover some of these later on this video, so yeah, don't worry about these tools right now. I will cover all possible things, and I will even cover the custom inbuilt or custom tools. So yeah, this much for the active and passive. And the key activities we are going to do here is the reconnaissance, and in the recon we'll identify and profiling the potential target. We're just making video for just an educational purpose, so don't test in the tag, or don't test it without any permissions. Okay, it will be on you, totally on you. So yeah, before you testing in any target, just you need a permission if you want to do legally. So yeah, you need a permission, but who knows, you can use any other tools like unserve, proxy chains, that kinds of things. I'm not promoting that kinds of things. Okay, so and after the recon we will scan, discover, and mapping the services vulnerabilities and enumerations, this kinds of stuff. And these are the tools and technique we're gonna cover. Not only this, we're gonna cover more in detail in each and every step. Like in DNS enumerations, we're gonna include these tools. I haven't made video completely, so I will upload today for nslookup day and the IZ, not that one. Okay, so yeah, in this playlist, whois, lookup, and DNS enumeration, inside that I'm gonna cover these two tools. So stay with me. And not only this, I will add other also tools. I will definitely add other tools, and even how to use them I will show you, don't worry. So yeah, in the technique, so applications where we can use this one, obviously in cybersecurity field, business and research, and best practice for ethical considerations, accuracy of collecting data, that concept stuff. So yeah, this was for only introductions. I hope you gone very well. So let's, without delay, let's go for Google. Okay, and whois lookup we will do for whois lookup in Google. So first I will take a target, scan me, I think scan me, yeah. I don't think scan me, list of target that I can assign. Oh, sorry, assign, not by scam, without permission. Yeah, permission, without permission, for, as you can say, edu purpose. You, so okay, always maybe I think okay, no, is that target? Hello target, scanme.com. I think I'll just grab scanme. Scan me. Okay, this one we're gonna use this one. Okay, this, I think this is the Nmap. Okay, Nmap website that is usually given to the researcher or any student. So yeah, we can use this for our things. So just I will provide these things later after the video, or you even can use this one. Like it is only from Google, you don't need any tools. Just fire your browser and type whois It's too cold here. My hand is freezing, man. I can't typing. No worries. And here we go. We're gonna use this side. You can use any other side also. So this is the website that I got. Now we can see here numerous of information. Here is like product of the whois, a lot of things, domains, registered on, expire, update, status, blah blah. And we even get contact, register and contact. This is an organization, and location, country, blah blah. So you can use like Google. I think Google, maybe we can do a scan on it. No, like this one, you can get information from the website. Yeah, we got technical contact here. One more. Okay. Okay, then this is for whois only, so we will move on. You know how to do it. Obviously it is a very easy and fantastic way to search. You can use any other like lookup, IP lookup, something like that. IP, yeah, instant IP lookup, and you can use so many tools in the website. So many websites are there, so many tools are there for this one. So let's go on DNS enumeration. So what is DNS enumerations? DNS means domain name systems. So domain name systems enumeration means we will inquiry on DNS to gather the detailed informations like IP address, mail servers, and all the related stuff. So I will cover this one and this one for today. Let's go in nslookup. Now nslookup is a tool that is come inbuilt in Kali Linux or any other Linux distro. If you haven't got any like nslookup, just type nslookup ns. So if it pop on blue, that means it is installed. So if you haven't installed it, you can easily install from apt command. Like this one, maybe. Okay, and let's look. I think you don't need to type this one. You can search on Google how to install nslookup if you haven't. I'm pretty sure that it is inbuilt package, so you don't need to install it. Okay. Yeah, this is the nslookup and it is an interactive mode. Just exit. It's gone in interactive mode. So this tool do gathering things, gathering information things. So if we're gonna okay, it won't work. Maybe HULP, yeah. Okay, no worries. What is the nslookup? I think nslookup H should work. I don't know why it is not working right now nowadays, but I will explain the tool how to use this one by one. So basically nslookup take options and the parameters for the IP address and name, or which means nslookup the options, we have too many options, so we will discuss further on. And the IP address and name. So I'll put here name without passing in option. So this is the google.com. Yeah, this is the one that I want. So we can see here name, address, name, again addresses. By this way we can see a lot of things. So we'll just go in interactive mode, nslookup, google.com. like here, if I execute this one, we get the same result that I got here. So for the second one, by specifying the DNS server, we can use like this: nslookup, Google its name and the server IP address. So just execute it. Here we go. Okay, and I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. Okay, and here we go. We just type nslookup google.com and the IP address, name and the IP address. So server is, this is the server address, you can see here, and the name and other things. So for now the set query, the query type. So we have a lot of query types. Here maybe wait, I'll show you one thing. nslookup nslo. Okay, maybe man page. I don't know why I'm not able to access from that one, but no worries. We can see here I will provide this link. Okay, certainly. In meantime I will add here man page and the man page, yeah, and to the websites. Okay, so yeah, I provide a man page for this one on the top after the uses. So just visit this man page, you will get a lot of informations. Maybe I will miss some of the arguments, some of the options in this, but you can find here. Usually you can access from the your terminal, like nslookup / help, like this one -- help. I don't know why it's not showing. These are the main uses or commonly uses option for the help, but no worries, we're gonna discuss later. So yeah, basically specify the DNS server. We have done this one. Now the query type, we have a lot of query types. So for the max, and we have mx. So here nslookup type /type is equal to type and name, the IP address. So we have here type is mx for the max record, query for the max record. Okay, we can use these other types also. Here if you if you look here, you will obviously find nslookup man page. Just Google it if you are confused with anything. Okay, and we are going to do max, I think. Yeah, who is that? Yeah, this one, nslookup type max. So if we run this command, you can run exactly this command here in terminal too, like whois out. So you here okay, now here you get the same informations. So it will show the max query records. It's we will get here mail server, I think, mail exchanger, SM10, SMP. Okay, the server address, nothing much. We will find it more later on. So for the time, for the specific time, you don't want to, if you are scanning a huge site, you don't want to run out of time, so you can make a time limit also here. Likewise, so it will basically, what you do is you are searching this domains, this name, for only 10 seconds, not more than that. But I don't know, it's take not even 1 second, maybe 10 millisecond. So yeah, this is for the time limit. I'll also just show you nslookup / timeout is equal to 10. It is always in second. Okay, now we have another nslookup retry for 3. So a specific number of retry giving if the query is failed. So here we go, we get this one in one try, but sometimes server become fail, some server will not respond your response. So for this you can use the retry option. So for the next, we have the default DNS system. So basically it will do also one thing, nslookup. So we go in interactive mode, and if we type server, it will get the server address. You can see here, this is our address, and we didn't get the server address that we want. So we can, this is the default one, we can change it just by typing the address that I want to make it default for the interactive. For any other sessions, if I click now here, I get my server address as a default 888, which is a Google server address. You can put any server address that you want to do. So we have another option. So full DNS response, just type debug. Here we go. Okay, I will exit first from the interactive mode, and if I execute this nslookup-debug, we will get a bunch of informations than the previous one. This is the you can say this one will help you to dig all the information at once. So here what we do, we just questioning google.coms, and this one send act, you'll answer Google response, authority records, and this all things. You get all the informations. So this information gathering is not for like you will go and attack the target. These are the things that you get a concept. Wow, this things is used, this is the IP address of it, I can use for any other types of, or I can use it to initiate any other attacks like that one. Okay, so you will not get any that kinds of rocket science things here. We'll just gathering information as much as we can. So this is nothing much, this is just typing name instead of typing the IP address instead of name. nslookup 888, that's the Google one. Yeah, DNS Google, the name is for the, this is the DNS of the Google's 8888 DNS servers. So this is for nslookup. Now let's see the dig one. So the basic syntax for this one is options name type. So we are basically doing like the basic query is dig, and this is the tool name, and this is the domain's name, or just a website name like Google. You even can do like just Google instead of google.com also. let's see how it's work. Okay. Yeah. You can see here we get same response, like this is the query time 12 milliseconds, server we get a serve, this is our server responding address, which is I think mine, when, how, and what size, header, nothing was. Yeah, we didn't get any nothing was information from the default command. Okay, we'll try next one. Specify the now record type. So specify the types of DNS, like this one that we saw earlier. You can use likewise I said you this I think, yeah, in the early section, that we cannot get the help page for the nslookup. Let's see for this one. Yeah, we can get this one help page. So you can see bunch of information that you can use in this tool. Okay, so yeah, we don't need anything like that, but we'll see how it goes later. So you can take basic concept how to use and where to use these kinds of options in the tool named. So we are here now. We wanna query for the max record. Let's execute it. So yeah, we get it again, like yeah, the no worries. I'll do one thing. I'll scan me, I think, and map. I will go for this tool, this websites, and the let's see how it's work or not. And this is the scan me authority and the authority numbers root. Okay, this is our information. This is the system's information that we're gonna sort. This is the website one. Nothing much. I don't see anything like anything informative using the dig tools, but I'll show you how to use this one only. The purpose of this video is how to use the dig tools. So this one is for the help options. I will just simply describe it, and this is for like query to the specific DNS instead of default. So for that, run this command. You got the information, bunch of information here also. So for this sort output, for the it will I think generate only the IP address of it. Yeah, I'm right, IP address of that one. But this maybe varies from time to time. When you search it, you won't get this IP address. The record for all, let's see, it may show all the informations. Okay, yeah, it takes time, but I think for the dig tool, if you are using dig tool, just I think use this one. So we're not able to communicate. This is my IP address. No, I don't think so. This is my IP address. IP. So that's not this using. I don't know. Running out of time. Maybe we're not responding through the Google's communicating with it. Shows I'm not responding to my, this is the router IP address. maybe some technical issue. Don't worry, this is how you use a tool named dig. So you can just add status, how it's going, how long it take, times, like this one. If you execute the command dig plus stat google.coms, it will show the time that you take in and out, and the query, time query. For the time query did yeah, I think I explained these things earlier. And this is for the reverse lookup. If you don't know what reverse lookup is, just like finding the host name associated with the IP address. And general transfer, you don't need this one. This is for only developers like our troubleshooter who get permissions, internet permissions, like the one who troubleshoot their company networks, like that one. Don't use this one. You don't need this won't work because this is nothing. This is just an example. So we have only one answer. Use this one. Dig no all answer, blah blah. The outcome of this dig is not pretty good. I won't suggest you to use this tool, nslookup, and first it's a pretty good tool. So I will explain this one later. So for this video, this one is enough. Thank you. And yeah, don't forget to like this video. If it's really help you, just hit a like and share with your friends. And I promise you, I'll make sure I'll include each and every tools that I use for information gathering. For DNS enumerations, I will add more tools that is more helpful to you, that gives more result, more accurate informations. I will add next video, and I will make next video for this. So for now, thank you, have a good day.